1 in 4 people who consolidate their debt end up paying more than before. Not because they were stupid, because nobody explained the traps first. That changes today. Before we get into numbers, ask yourself honestly, do you actually know how much your debts are costing you every single month? Most people don't, and that's the problem. If you've got a credit card, an overdraft, and a buy now pay later balance, they all charge different rates. You're juggling multiple payments, multiple due dates. It's exhausting. And it's expensive. The average UK credit card charges around 24% interest per year. That means for every £100 of debt, you're handing back £24 just in interest. Every year. Debt consolidation means taking all those separate debts and combining them into one single loan, ideally at a lower interest rate. One payment, one rate. Much easier to manage. So instead of 4 different lenders all charging different amounts, you have one. Think of it like moving all your apps into one folder. Cleaner, simpler, and hopefully cheaper. The win here is simple. If your new single rate is lower than your average old rate, you save money every month. That's real cash back in your pocket each payday. There are 2 main ways to do it. A personal loan from a bank or lender, or a balance transfer card, where you move your debt onto a new card with a low promotional rate. Balance transfer cards often offer 0% interest for up to 30 months. That means none of your payment goes to interest. All of it chips away at the actual debt. Powerful if used right. Start by writing down every single debt you have. Credit cards, overdrafts, buy now, pay later, student loan if applicable. Amount owed, monthly payment, interest rate. One list. Total clarity. Now work out your average interest rate across all of them. Multiply each debt amount by its rate, add them up, divide by total debt. Or just Google a weighted average calculator. Takes 2 minutes. Then check sites like Money Saving Expert or ClearScore. They'll show you consolidation loans and balance transfer deals you're likely to qualify for without a hard credit check hitting your score. Only apply if the new rate is genuinely lower than your current average. If it's not, consolidation isn't the right move right now. That's not failure, that's smart decision making. This is the bit people skip. Always read the full terms. Balance transfer fees, early repayment charges, what happens when the promotional period ends. 10 minutes reading saves you hundreds. The most common mistake. You consolidate, and suddenly those old credit cards feel empty again. So you spend on them. Now you've got the consolidation loan and fresh credit card debt. Twice the problem. Watch the repayment term too. A longer term means smaller monthly payments, which feels like relief, but you're paying interest for longer. You could pay more overall, even at a lower rate. Here's the thing to hold on to. Consolidation is a tool. It doesn't fix spending habits. It doesn't delete debt. The goal isn't to feel less overwhelmed in the short term, it's to actually owe less. Your action for today? Nothing complicated. Just write down every debt you have. Amount, rate, minimum payment. That list is the foundation of every good decision you'll make from here.